Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase ferret out something. It means to find something hidden or hard to discover. Think of a ferret, a small animal that searches carefully. When you ferret out information, you look for it carefully. You can use this phrase when talking about finding secrets or facts. For example, she ferreted out the truth. Notice you can say ferret out the truth or ferret the truth out. Both are correct because the verb is separable. You can use it in different tenses: ferret, ferreted, ferreting. It is common in everyday English and formal speech. Some similar phrases are dig up, root out, and track down. But ferret out focuses on clever searching. Use it with words like information, secrets, or details. For example, they ferreted out important evidence. Avoid mistakes like forgetting the object. Say, ferret out the secret. Try to practice with sentences like, I will ferret out the facts. This phrase is great for detectives, journalists, or anyone solving problems. Remember, ferret out something means careful searching and discovery. Keep practicing and soon you'll use it naturally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.